Ayyo. What is the mating or what? Something is happening. Either mating or kiss or hug. Quite a few others are there. This is at the base of one of that Melina. What is that? Melina dubia. And then the tree died. Big tree. This is about some 15 years old, 15, 20 years old. It's one of the first things I planted when I started I wanted to grow the green tree border for my little garden. So it grew, got old and died. Actually, these are good for cutting by around some 7 or 10 years you can cut it off. And very hardy also, nice tree. For ruined, bad, degraded place is very good. It's hardy, it grows well in all kind of regions, fast and all. And it might be a legume also, I'm not sure. So, I decided not to cut it because if it falls down, all my other things will get hurt. And I think it got attacked by something or other. Some holes are there. So, I don't know how exactly. I don't think it died of old age as such. Probably these mature trees get attacked by some beetle or something. So something came and did something, tree died. I left it like that, and now that powder is accumulating at the base. Huge amount of powder. Huge means the whole thing is slowly crumbling, and what I found, these dead trees, if you're a proper natural gardener and this thing like approach, Fukuoka approach, you should cut them. Because dying trees support a lot of life. It's just yesterday it rained, so the soil got wet. These millipedes have come out. This one actually is quite a common coloration among the millipedes. This black and white, and there are two species itself. One is from North America, it looks somewhat like this only from far. Other one is there in India. The botanical name and all I forgot. This is the hardiest of these millipedes, and if they are there in your good garden, it's a good thing. They eat up all this dead wood and all, and debris, any kind of decomposing stuff. And they're like earthworms only, but they crawl around, run around and all. Very cute, nice creatures. They make nice pets also. You can just keep them in a bread box or something. And once this tree hedge is ready, enormous amount of carbon sequestration starts. This Melina dubia particularly, this place was not, it was a valley bottom, but very bad shape. I did all kind of things before this plant came to my possession. Anyway, it sent out deep roots, and then some 100 feet and all, big, deep roots. So it turns the soil nicely. It brings up the bottom stuff and then becomes leaves and drops it, and it straight away sets about improving your garden. Huge amount of dead leaves. You can see over there. So, but it would be nice to see what is that insect that's boring that tree.